Meaning of expeditious.
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 Expeditious. The term expeditious refers to something that is done with speed and efficiency. It is an adjective that represents a process or action that is carried out quickly and without delay. When a task is completed expeditiously, it means that it was done in a timely and proficient manner. This word is commonly associated with processes that involve a sense of urgency or importance, such as emergency relief efforts or legal proceedings. Overall, expeditious connotes a sense of swiftness and effectiveness in completing a task.